Hi, I'm Randall Heyman, a mathematics academic. Many people around the world are impacted by the coronavirus outbreak, so I'm using my YouTube channel to help lecturers, tutors, teachers, parents and students with any mathematical problems or concepts that they're having difficulty solving or understanding. So if you'd like me to make a video for you or your students, please use the comment section below the video. So today I got a comment from this gentleman, I'm not sure to pronounce it correctly, Ping Quen, who's a teacher in California, who asked me if I would talk or help his class understand a bit more about these things. Now, I've underlined here fields and rings. These are objects in abstract algebra, which is a very interesting and challenging area of mathematics, where we focus on objects more than we actually focus on numbers. So rotating a dice has similarities to the real numbers, et cetera, et cetera. So we're looking more at objects rather than numbers. Anyway, so to progress this, you need to understand the object that is a field, the object that is a ring. And to do that, my suggestion is that you first make sure you understand, perhaps revise, perhaps learn what this is here, mathematical groups. So we've got fields, rings and groups. So I've got a video, Mathematical Groups Made Easy. I'll just put that up. You can have a look at what it is. And this is from when I used to do the videos with animation software before the virus. So here you can see the sort of problems that you might get about mathematical groups or about groups in a test or exam. And then I go into the components of a group. So what are the things you need to make a group? And then what are the rules that must apply so that the thing is actually a group rather than something else. So I would suggest that you revise mathematical groups, either using my video or some other way. And then shortly I'll be doing some more videos that will look at rings and fields and that sort of thing. So thanks very much for listening. And if you've got any more questions about abstract algebra or in fact any area of mathematics, put a comment in the video section below. Thanks very much.